Thank God I'm not trying this game then, innit? Because this game is just over already. Oh, what did I hit? That would have been such a good snipe as well. I don't know, I thought it was something that the Americans did shoot in skeet. You want to go shoot some skeet? I think it's when you shoot them clay pigeons, like the Olympic sport, shooting clay pigeons. I think they're skeet. I can't get a shot on this girl, she's just, there's too much shit in the way. I don't know, it's shooting skeet, it's a thing. I just don't know what it actually is. Let's go shoot some beer bottles down at the Cracker Barrel. Let's go line them up on the wall outside and go goddamn shoot them bitches. This is a team interested in a really fun interactive game, can't you tell? And we're hiding as well, lads. No way. See, told you, bitch. Oh, we don't do it in the middle of sipping tea. We don't go, Thomas dear, would you pull out the shotgun and let's shoot some skeet? Jeeves, bring us a fresh cup of tea, would you? We're going to go shoot some skeet. We can't do it on an empty stomach, can we? I wasn't even looking at her. Watch David. Let's not shoot skeet on an empty stomach. Let's make sure we've got a warm belly full of brew. I'm not even trying this game. This game's over. These boys are going to try and prolong it for a bit, but I basically might as well just be AFK. I can't get a shot. Look at all this shit in the way. Drop it, go on. You fucked it up already. Wow. If not for dead, I'd already be dead. Come on. The whole M1 squad is out in full force tonight, lads. We're taking no prisoners. Might just camp this guy on hook, honestly. I see nothing else that we can do. Now where I live, there's just a lot of hunting. Let's go hunt a goddamn koala bear. Four gens for one hook. Yeah, I'm camping. Fuck it. See no reason not to. They weren't interested in a fun match. Free medkits. Fucking Lerys offering. Yeah, you good? You pointed? And I can come stand here. Let's go get that extra hatchet back. I heard someone behind that wall. I can hear David though. bitch. You'll have Unbreakable as well. I mean, they leave you no choice but to play like this. It's boring as fuck. And I'll be the bad one for playing like this. They're behind this wall healing. Fucking obstacles in the way, why not behaviour? Put more in the way for me. You can hear Bill from so far away. That loud creep. I mean, I don't mind who dies. Any of you can die. Oh, they're gonna go do the gen together. I might be able to get 2k out of this, honestly. Aww. What's wrong, Buttercup? You don't like it when someone doesn't give you a chance to play the game? Or not, chicken? How'd I miss that? Yeah, they don't like it when they don't get a chance to play. How do you think it feels for the killer? When you come in with 3 toolboxes and fucking... I'd assume there's a prove thyself at least. Who knows what those toolboxes are? There could be commodious toolboxes with a BMP. They're built to last with wire spool and scrap pieces. And we 2k this game. How dare I play like this? How dare you leave me no other choice? Please get cocky, lads. Please come for the unhook. I have confidence that I'll be able to turn it into a 4K if you do. And I ain't even been toxic or anything. I ain't hitting anyone on the hook. Not nodded my head or anything. Oh my god. Fucking sit down. Sit the fuck down. You should have just took your You should have just took your fucking 2k and left. Get out of here. Get out of here. Suck that, bitches.